Yes.
Yeah, yes, madam. Yes.
Visible.
Yes.
Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Vinita. Now I'm going to discuss about the chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is very important to create ledger accounts. To create any ledger account, chart of account is very important. It is nothing but a list of general ledger accounts which is used by the organization. Um, Actually, chart of accounts determine the structure of a general ledger account. In this chart of accounts, we have just a second. Yeah, in this chart of account, we have three types of chart of accounts. One is operative chart of account, and the second one is group chart of account, and the third one is country specific chart of account. So, while coming to the chart, operative chart of account, it is the very important. It is mandatory. Mandatory operative chart of account is the list of all the GL accounts. So, which is used to do the daily business transactions. In this chart of account, we have to post the daily business transactions. And the definition of operative chart of account is mandatory. And next, for example, whenever we have purchases or sales, these entries are posted in the operative chart of accounts with the help of the operative chart of accounts. And coming to the group chart of accounts, it is a list of general ledger accounts used by the company to prepare the consolidated financial statements. In the real time, we have to assign the group chart of account to the operative chart of accounts. And then country specific chart of account. Country specific chart of accounts means the ledger accounts has to prepare according to the country requirements, legal requirements. For example, our company code is in India, so we have to create our we have to post our ledger entries or ledger accounts according to the legal requirements. Here I want to tell you one thing that if the holding company and subsidiary company lying in different countries, then operating chart of account of a holding company will be the country specific chart of account of subsidiary company. I will explain you clearly. Here US company, USHC is the company code, this is the holding company, and India, INSC is the company code and this is the subsidiary company, and for this holding company, in UK also another company code is there, that is this company code is UKSC. So here, according to the rules of the US Act, they have to prepare two sets of financial statements. One is according to the US accounting rules and another one is the foreign country accounting rules. So while preparing the foreign country accounting rules, here the operating chart of account of a holding company will be the country specific chart of account of a subsidiary company. Okay, and well, coming to the next slide, yeah, how to create chart of accounts. In this, we have a T code also there to create chart of accounts. It is OB13, and we have the path also. I will explain you the path. First, we have to click on. We have to give the SPRO. It's a T code in the command field, and then this is the image will appear, and then click on the SAP reference IMG. So, and this screen will be appear. After IMG screen has appeared, you have to navigate this and click on the financial accounting and then general ledger accounting, then GL accounts, then master data, here master data, and then preparations and edit chart of accounts list. After click on this, yeah, we have to create new chart of accounts. So we have to click on the new entries. After click on the new entries, the screen will appear like this. In this, we have to give our own chart of accounts. We have to give a 4 alphanumeric code for our chart of accounts, and we have to give the description. This is the operative chart of account, and here we have to maintain the language. This language is called company codes language, English, and the length of the GL account is 6. Maximum is 10 numbers. So you have to fill the fields like this. Okay, and then click on the save. After click on the save, transport request will generate. So here click on this paper icon, and then we will create the another transport request for the chart of accounts. Next, like this way only, we have to create the other chart of accounts, country specific chart of account and group chart of account also. And then after creating the chart of accounts or defining the chart of accounts, we have to assign the company code to the chart of accounts. For that, P code is OB62 and the path is here we have to transaction enter the SPRO, and then click on the SAP reference IMG, and then financial accounting, general ledger accounting, and then GL accounts, master data, preparations, and assign company code to chart of accounts. Okay, and then this is the process. Go to the position and then give company code and then press enter, give your operator chart of account or else give country specific chart of account and your group chart of account also one by one after completion of the one chart of account, and then give another chart of account and click on save. So that's it. Thank you everyone. Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Good, ma'am. Good. Very well explained.
Thank you.
Recording off చేయండి.